Good morning, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and Carlos is gonna vacuum the furniture because we have some pet hair for the dog and for the cat. All our client has a Roomba, so they can maintain their house. In the meantime, we come again to do the service. You might think that vacuum a furniture like this in the condition that is this furniture. No, a lot of pet hair. They have 3 dogs and 1 cat. Takes time. Believe it or not, takes for real to be really good. Like 40 minutes, something like that. So it's hard work to have a vacuum on your back, working in detail. In that 45 minutes, Hilda did the little bathroom and 2 bedrooms. She take out the garbage from the pantry and she took the garbage from the bathroom. She already finished that, and she's gonna start changing the sheets from this bedroom. I'm waiting Carlos to finish with the vacuum, so I will vacuum the corners of that room, and we're gonna use this vacuum especially to remove a lot of pet hair from the vacuum. I'm gonna record that. Now Carlos is doing the windows from inside and in the front door. He's gonna do it from outside. We motivate the owner of the house, and she's pressure washing her patio. That's so good. Hilda is taking care of the kitchen. My friend, what are you doing? So putting away clean toppers or Tupperwares hand vacuum. This wood, beautiful. A lot of pet hair. I don't know if you can see. Move the crate. Most of our client has a vacuum, Roomba, something like that. Beautiful floor. A lot of fresh air. Start vacuuming. I love this vacuum. The name of this vacuum is Worker. Just these little. Bring me a bag, please. Only this piece is amazing. Amazing. I want to see that. I don't want to cut this. A ver, ponle la bolsa adentro. Beautiful. I love it. beautiful, beautiful. Uh-huh. No, enséñame el din. Huh. That's yours. No, it's not yours. It's the other dog. Come on. Come on, son. Putting away clean plates. They're working together, so it will be more easy. Yeah. This floor is already dry. It's good, no smudges. We are waiting for this floor to dry. You see that's more shiny because it's kind of damp wet, and we are waiting to dry this floor. But there is no smudges. Smudges? I don't know how to pronounce. Hilda is mopping, I think, the laundry. Beautiful kitchen. No plates. Pixie's down over here. Everything is clean. And Hilda is mopping the floor. We're almost done. Thank you for watching us. 407-572-4118. Yes, from Samsung.